Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following using special product of algebraic expression. What do you think we should use? Only two terms. So this is the only possible case. Therefore, the final answer looks like this. A plus B, A minus B. And in this question, right, this is very important. Do take note. 1. I can rewrite it as 1 square because 1 times 1 equals to 1. Okay. 25y square, do take note, I could rewrite it as 5y bracket square. 5 times 5 is 25, y times y is y square. And therefore, I have successfully gotten my A and my B. Yep. So the final answer would be 1 plus 5y 1 minus 5y. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following using special product of algebraic expression. I saw two terms. Then this should be the, how we are going to use to factorize, and I do need to make sure I know which one is my A and what is my B so that I can later on substitute my A and my B accordingly. So I'm going to rewrite this as X, sorry, I'm going to use red color, X bracket square minus, what number? Square, give me 16. Yes, 4. So have you found out what is my A and my B? Yep. X plus 4, X minus 4. And we are done. Alright. So we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following using special products of this algebraic expression. And I see a square minus a square, and therefore this will be the special product I would be using. My job now is to make sure that I need to know what is my A and what is my B so that I can substitute in neatly. So in this question, right, I will not write 4p square anymore. Instead, I will write as 2p because 2 times 2 is 4, p times p is p square. 9q square, I will not write as 9q square anymore. I will write it as 3q because 3 times 3, 9. Q times q, q square. So you would then be able to find my answer A plus B bracket square, A minus B bracket square, where my A is my 2p. Oops, sorry, I made a mistake. This one should be minus. And my B is 3q. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following using special product of algebraic expression. So I see a square, this will probably be the one that I'm using, and I will then need to see what is my A and what is my B, right? But even before we do that, right, I'm going to rewrite this as 49m squared minus 9n squared, so that now I'm going to rewrite 49m squared as 7m, because 7 times 7, 49, m times n, m squared. 9n squared, how should I rewrite it? Yes, you're right, 3n squared, because 3 times 3 is 9, n times n is n squared. And from here, then I will be able to get my a something plus something square, a minus b square, where my a is 7m and my b is 3n. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following, and at some point of the working, make use of this special product. Of course, I see that there's only two terms. I'm going to make use of this special product, and later on, I will need to find what is my A and what is my B, so that I can substitute neatly. At first glance, 3 cannot be square root. But I do see that 75 can divide by 3. Meaning, I could take out 3 as the common factor. I will have b squared minus 25. Alright, 75 divided by 3 is 25. And therefore, I would then be able to, write it as something square minus something square. And b times b is b square. 5 times 5 is 5 square. And so the final answer would be 3. My A is B. And my B is 5. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following using special products. And I see only two terms. So this will be the eventual result. And later on, I need to find what is my value for A and what is my B. Okay? But even before we do that, I see a y cube. I also see a y. This means that there is a common factor, y. And I'm left with this minus 100 y squared. And then I can do things proper already. This will be something bracket square minus something bracket square. 121x. This one is actually 11x squared, because 11 times 11 is 121. X times x is x squared. And this will be 10y, because 10 times 10 is 100. Y times y would be y squared. And therefore, we have successfully identified our A and our B in the formula. So I would then have my 11x here as my A, and my B is 10y. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.